Hi, this is Gregory with Bonilla Management Faces in New York City. I really hope this beautiful summer weather is kind to you. I'm reaching out to you as a courtesy to your being talented, successful business owner, entrepreneur, or just flat out boss in your own right. My company and I would like to provide you with some additional working capital that you could fully utilize to either expand your company for the long haul or get over some tiny financial hump. Just very briefly on who we are a nationwide business friendly company based out of New York City, based out of New York. For the past 4 or 5 years, we've helped business owners such as yourself with these companies to get funded from $50,000 up to $7 million per company. And right now, just to get started, is very, very easy. Just click the link and fill out our online quick application or simply call my office. That's at 347 area code 460 0291.